The Pullman Advance PL950 Lithium Backpack is a premium cordless backpack vacuum that offers powerful cleaning performance and was designed and engineered specifically for commercial cleaning professionals to tackle all cleaning tasks. The Pullman Advance PL950 comes with two powerful 43.2-volt lithium batteries, providing up to 1 hour of uninterrupted runtime on eco mode for everyday cleaning. Flick to turbo mode and you have instant cleaning versatility, ensuring high-performance room-to-room cleaning. You can also swap over the batteries without needing to take the machine off. The cordless design provides maximum convenience as it eliminates the need for frequent outlet changes. The highly efficient brushless motor provides superior performance and reliability, picking up embedded dirt with ease. It also helps dramatically prolong the motor's lifespan. The patented Vortex filter chamber allows full use of the dust storage capacity, a large 5.5 litres, perfect for cleaning large areas quickly. The patented blower port easily transforms your backpack vacuum into a powerful blower. The low noise output is ideal for both day or nighttime cleaning, particularly in noise-sensitive areas such as shops, hotels, offices and hospitals. The Gulper Advance floor tool is designed with ball bearings in the wheels to deliver a smoother glide across any surface, also featuring a lip seal to ensure better pickup with no loss of suction, while the rubber bumper actively protects skirting boards from marks. The patented easily adjustable harness has 3-level height adjustment and was designed with hiking quality and comfort in mind. Engineered with anti-vibration rubber pads allow the wearer to use the backpack throughout the day without feeling a strain on the back muscles. A convenient tool belt allows access to attachments during operation. Fitted with a rubber bumper surrounding the unit, it saves walls and doorways from unsightly smudges. The HEPA 13 exhaust filter ensures dirt and dust captured is contained inside the vacuum cleaner, while releasing 99.95% pure air back into your environment. The Pullman PL950 Lithium Backpack, winner of the 2020 Good Design Award and the ultimate backpack for commercial cleaning.